What's up, everyone? Right now, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads for your deck repair or renovation company. So, pretty much right now, launched brand new campaign for this new client. Right now, we're doing deck repair and renovation. So, pretty much, we launched two ads. We got 8 leads right now. Cost per leads around $15. Spent on about $120, and the client he already met two homeowners, and writing two estimates. So, I'm gonna update him and ask if he closed any of the jobs, but pretty much I'm going to show you the formula, how I structure the ads, and how I ran it. So pretty much, let me show you right here in the ad sets. So right here, guys, how we structure it is very simple. So pretty much right now we're doing $25 a day budget. This is an updated campaign. We did our target area. We don't usually target the audience. With audiences, you don't want to target too much because the more niche it is, it actually might affect your cost per lead. So right now, Facebook algorithm is really good. You don't want to bother with your system. Leave it alone, and you'll be fine. So just only have your location set. Audience control, you don't need it, not at all. Placements, I always have the advantage on. Right now, their algorithm is really good, picking where's the best place to show the ads. Facebook page, Instagram page, stories, wherever, right? And then basically over time, wherever the leads come from, majority of them, Facebook will just throw the ad there. So I'm pretty sure the winning ad is video too. So let me just show you real quick. So how do I have the ad copy structured? I'll show you in a moment. So, for example, with any Facebook ad, you always want to have a call out to the specific target audience. So, for deck repair and renovation, we want to target obviously Union County homeowners. We don't want to target car owners. We don't want to target kids under 18. So, that's our target audience. We call them out. Then, for the ad copy, we say the pain point. So, winter took a toll on your deck. Don't wait until it gets worse. If your deck is worn, cracked, or starting to fall apart, Art of Home Repair can restore it for a fraction of the full replacement cost. So, what are we saying? We're saying that instead of getting a whole new deck, which is $20,000, you can spend a couple hundred to a couple $1,000s to fixing your deck, renovating it, and making it look brand new again. So why spend 20? So basically, we said why you should do it: replace damaged board railing, restore a deep, rich color of your wood, prevent further damage and costly repairs. And we basically have a question: why spend 20,000 plus on a brand new deck when you can refresh and protect the one that you already have for a fraction price? And basically, we say phone number, get quote today, claim offer, get quote, and I like to use the emoji right here. It actually performs better, even though it looks a little bit unprofessional, but it performs much better, especially on Facebook. So the question we ask is, are you looking for a deck repair or renovation? And basically, if they click on deck renovation, we ask what their budget is because we don't want, obviously, you guys talking to unqualified homeowners. So they will click either 0 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, 10K plus, and then pretty much just additional info about the deck. And then they submit their full name, phone number, street address, and then they call the client after, right? That's how we have it set. And here's the ad copy that we have, sorry, the creative that we did for this client. Let me just turn up the volume real quick.
Attention Union County homeowners. Is your deck falling apart? Is broken, cracking, rotting? Don't wait until it gets worse. You don't need to drop $20,000 on a brand new deck. We can repair and restore it, saving you thousands.
So pretty much what we did there was we did the call out, we got the pain point, and then we offered our service, and then we offered a discount. So we add urgency in the creative. We say for the next five or for the next 10 homeowners, we're having this huge discount, 50% off, whatever the offer is, by Sunday. And then another thing is not by Sunday, but you should say something like, um, also, if you fill out the form by Sunday, we can include a XXX service for free. Like if you don't know what to say, you could just say free warranty, and obviously you talk with the homeowner. They even remember the free service, and then basically say call us, say click on get quote, or you could say call now. I usually like to say get quote, and or you could say get quote. Sorry, click here to get quote, or call now to get quote. So there's a couple of variations to this. So that's pretty much how the ad structure is set up. And right now we have the campaign ad set, three creatives, and right now Facebook is obviously I make it each ad creative a little bit more unique.
Attention Union County homeowners.
The ad copy and script is a little bit the same. The creatives is just different. Obviously, these are not the client's videos. We stole it from online. So if you don't have any videos, a good way to get good videos is to just go on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Simply download one of the most viral videos because if you download a viral video, why would it not go viral for your ad? Not viral, but why would it not perform well for your ad? Right? Because the more addy it looks, the less it will perform. The more it looks like an actual like video on their for you page, it would actually perform better. So, guys, if you have any questions on how to run Facebook ads for your deck repair company or you're in the home improvement industry, guys, book a call with me, link in my description, or comment any other topics you want me to go over in the comment section. I'll gladly go over, guys. Other than that, take care and have a great rest of your day, guys.